Hi, I can't disclose my name for legal reasons, but welcome to this nature documentary. What could have made this magnificent dent in this tree? Bear, wolf, fox, maybe even a squirrel. See, even Mother Nature has trouble taking care of itself. Doing great. We found a very rare and very beautiful yellow cosmos. I went to Harvard. Water is the most pure and natural thing in the woods. Next to the trees, the rocks, the grass, the dandelions, and literally everything else in here, besides water. Water flows, just like life. Put that on a fucking t-shirt. Why did she leave me? True form of nature. Beautiful in its way. And these are our bees. They're slowly going extinct. Stop buying almonds. The mighty... Someone shoot that fucking bird! The beautiful rosebud needs to be nurtured. You can't be harsh with it. You gotta be Just let me see the kids. The newly riched and blackened earth often... Listen, I know this is natural and this is how grass is supposed to grow, but this is just ridiculous. Someone needs to come out and mow this. Like, how am I supposed to get from here to there? I don't think this is... So that's it for my documentary. Everyone have a good night. Except for you, Linda. You can burn in hell.